Assalamualaikum. Thank you, my honorable teacher, to give me the opportunity to say something about pharmacy practice. Pharmacy practice is the discipline of pharmacy which involves the developing professional skill of pharmacist. It is the policy of FIP and WHO to provide guidelines to national pharmacy professional organizations regarding the development of their national GPP guidelines. The conditions of practice vary widely from country to country. GPP is the practice of pharmacy that responds to the needs of people who use the pharmacy service to provide optimal evidence-based that is essential that there is an established national framework of quality standards and guidelines. There are some areas of pharmacy practice including disease state management, communication skill, pharmaceutical care, patient care, etc. There are some mission of pharmacy practice, that is being readily available to patient with and without appointment. Health promotion, assuring effectiveness of medicine, safety of pharmacy and patient. There are 4 main roles where pharmacists involved or supervision is expected by society and the individuals they serve. They are provide, obtain and store, secure, distribute, administration and disposal of medicine products, provide effective medication therapy management, maintain and improve professional performance, contribute to improve effectiveness of the healthcare system and public health. The roles may vary for each individual pharmacist depending on their practice responsibilities. Specific standards of GPP can be developed only within a national pharmacy professional organization's framework. This guideline is recommended as a set of professional goals to be met in the interest of the patient and other key stakeholders in the pharmaceutical sector. Responsibility for moving the project forward will rest with other national pharmacy professional association. Achieving specific standards of GPP for each nation within their recommendation may require considerable time and effort. As health professionals, pharmacists have a duty to begin the process without delay. Thank you, my honorable teacher. That's all.